Okay, guys, 2011 3.6 GMC Acadia, misfire cylinder 2 and 4. So pretty much what I want to tell you guys is firing order is one thing that you need to determine. What we're going to do is we're going to replace ignition coils on this baby. So we took off the oil cap from right there. And then you're just going to have to lift this up. It's held in by grommets. And once you lift this up, bada bing, bada boom, you got ignition coils right there. I'm sure we should be able to pull these out. Okay, let's take off this vacuum line right here. And there you go. They're not going to be so easy because they're hidden. So you got a 10 millimeter there and a 10 millimeter there. And let's talk about firing order. Firing order. Cylinder number 1 is back there. Cylinder 2 is here. 3, 4. So we're looking at 2 and 4 is what we're going to change. 5 and 6. Okay, that's the firing order. Simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove these connectors off these babies. And hopefully we don't have to take off the intake. Make sure you put this cap on so you don't get the... Okay, let's move this oxygen cable out of here. And this is the little guy. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get this coil out of here without taking out the intake. But I'll give it a shot. You never know, okay? You never freaking know. So this one's going to be trouble for me right here. So bad news, the coil's not going to come out. So what I did was took out the PCV valve from right here. It's a 19 millimeter. So I took this off. I took out 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolt, 4 bolt, 5 bolt. And then there's one all the way down here, right in there. You see that hole right down there? Right here. It's a small little bolt. And after that, we're usually going to do this to get these coils out. After that, we should be able to get these coils out. I'm going to get the new ones in, guys. This is like a little crappy thing looking like this. This thing is so itchy. I'm all freaking itched up. It's burning me and shit. But anyways, I should be able to maneuver this intake around. Make sure the seal's down there. If you want to do the whole job, you want to remove everything, just all you have to do is take off the intake and everything here. I'm sorry, the throttle body and the pipes here, a couple of pipes around it, vacuum pipes. So just be careful you put everything back together. But anyways, I'm going to get these babies in and out, and then we should be done there. But if anybody tell you that you don't have to take these off, you don't need to take off the intake, they're lying to you. But you are most likely going to have to take that baby out. So this intake got to come out for these coils. And there's one back here, down here. Definitely got to come out. But that's all we're going to do for now. There you go. I yanked up the intake. Got both of the coils out. And there's no oil or anything like that down there. So we're in good hands. So these coils usually over time will get shot. And I do see a little bit of oil. So I am going to recommend customer a gasket down the road. And from now on, we're going to just change the coils. Because that's what the customer requested. There you go, guys. We got 2 ignition coils in there. 20-minute job. Make sure you put the PCV valve in. So the top bolts are 13 millimeter and those are 10 millimeter. I did take off this 10 millimeter also. And this guy gets tight up in here. So don't go crazy. It's plastic. So make sure you just snug it. Bada bing, bada boom. And what you want to do is you want to put this vacuum pipe back on. Make sure nothing is loose. We didn't take off any. Did take out a throttle connector here. Make sure you put that back in. The connectors for the coils are back in. All right, guys. Thank you for watching my video. 2 ignition coils. Change on this GMC Acadia. Bada bing, bada boom. 30 minutes maximum.